Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about a transfer story that is getting Orlando Pirates fans excited. Reports suggest that the Buccaneers are interested in signing talented Stellenbosch FC midfielder Mthetheleli Mthiyane ahead of the new season. While the deal has not been officially confirmed by the club, the links between Orlando Pirates and Mthiyane continue to grow, and many supporters are already discussing what he could bring to the team. Mthiyane has been one of the standout young midfielders at Stellenbosch FC. His performances in midfield have shown that he is a player who can work hard defensively, win possession, and help his team control matches. These qualities have made him one of the most promising players in the league. When watching Mthiyane play, one thing that stands out immediately is his energy. He covers a lot of ground, presses opponents aggressively, and is always looking to help his teammates. Modern football requires midfielders who can do both defensive and attacking work, and Mthiyane has shown that he is capable of doing exactly that. Another important part of his game is his ability to recover possession. Orlando Pirates have always valued hard-working players who fight for every ball, and Mthiyane appears to fit that profile perfectly. He is also comfortable on the ball and can help start attacks from midfield. Instead of simply clearing the ball, he looks to find teammates and keep possession moving. That is something every top team needs if they want to dominate matches. If Orlando Pirates manage to complete this signing, it could provide additional competition in midfield. Strong competition often brings out the best in players and helps improve the overall quality of the squad. The Buccaneers are expected to compete in several competitions next season, and having depth in midfield will be extremely important. Injuries, suspensions, and fixture congestion mean that quality squad options are necessary for any team hoping to challenge for trophies. Many fans believe Mthiyane has the potential to develop even further under the Orlando Pirates coaching setup. Moving to one of the biggest clubs in South African football would give him a chance to showcase his talent on a bigger stage and compete for major honors. Of course, until the club makes an official announcement, supporters should treat these reports as transfer rumors. In football, deals can change very quickly, and nothing is guaranteed until the paperwork is completed. However, if the move does happen, it could be a very interesting signing for Orlando Pirates and one that strengthens the midfield for the future. So Buccaneers fans, what do you think? Would Mthetheleli Mthiyane be a good signing for Orlando Pirates? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Orlando Pirates news and transfer updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.